Welcome to the engineer jobs. Cyient is hiring for the post of manufacturing engineer assembly with BE/BTech in mechanical engineering having 2 years of experience. Location is based in Pune, Maharashtra. Job description. Experience in assembly process planning engineering PDP/OFP projects, analyzes and makes modifications to existing performance pay plans for assembly operators, assists in development of baseline data for new performance pay plans. Background in engineering, mechanical, electrical, hydraulics, power systems, etc. Skill in using computer-aided design and/or engineering tools. Like Creo, DLBT, MPP, JDate, FIA, Power Apps, SAP. Assembly processes, assembly process planning, Creo, design for assembly, line balancing, manufacturing planning, team center engineering. Scan the QR code to apply for the position. Please like and share the video. Subscribe the channel for more job notifications.